Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced, carbonated, Tim's French vanilla cappuccino, Calamansi citrus, and strawberry. First thing you gotta do is put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini metal bowl. Then after that, take 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons into this mug, and you pour in the mug, and then after that you fill the Calamansi citrus and strawberry fizzy water into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated Tim's French vanilla cappuccino, Calamansi citrus, and strawberry. Enjoy it, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace, cheers, and have a good summer. Thank you.